Good evening, Houston. I said, good evening. Sorry about the delay, but there was food in the dressing room. No, I'm only kidding. Some funny headwinds about 8 miles high. Not much time to give you a brief history of the last 2 years. It's been mostly spent on our backs, so we're going to just get on and play.